Macerator toilets are a great solution for homes with challenging plumbing, but how do you pick the best one? In this video, I'll walk you through the key factors to consider to ensure you make the right choice. So, what exactly is a macerator toilet? These toilets have a motorized system that grinds waste into a fine slurry which can be pumped through small pipes. This makes them perfect for spaces like basements or attics, where traditional plumbing might not work, allowing you to add a bathroom without costly renovation. When choosing a macerator toilet, there are a few important factors to consider. Pumping distance. The ability to pump waste vertically and horizontally is crucial. Some models can pump waste up to 20 feet vertically and 150 feet horizontally, which gives you flexibility in toilet placement. Water efficiency. Look for models with dual flush systems or those using 1.28 gallons per flush to save water and reduce your bills. Models with the EPA's WaterSense label are a great choice for efficiency and performance. Ease of installation. Some macerator toilets come as a single unit, combining the toilet and motor, which simplifies installation. Others have separate tanks, requiring more planning. If space is tight, an integrated system may be a better fit. Noise level. Macerator toilets can be noisy due to the grinding motor, so if you're placing it in a quiet area like a bedroom, look for quieter models. Consider installing it in a less used area, like a basement, to minimize disturbance. Electrical dependency. These toilets need electricity to work, so ensure there's a power source nearby. Some models have battery backup options for power outages, but it's important to plan for potential inconvenience during a power failure. Budget and value. Macerator toilets are typically more expensive than regular toilet, but they can save you on plumbing costs. Higher-end models offer advanced features and durability, while budget-friendly options still perform well without breaking the bank. Maintenance. Regular cleaning and descaling are essential to prevent clogs. Look for durable models with a good reputation for reliability to reduce maintenance needs. To wrap up, selecting the right macerator toilet comes down to your space, needs, and budget. Consider factors like pumping distance, water efficiency, installation ease, noise, and power requirements to find the best option for you.